In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Instagram link to your YouTube channel. So what you need to do is once you're on youtube.com, you need to head over to your channel. So go to your channel icon in the top right hand corner, make sure you're signed into the correct channel, then click view your channel. After you've done that, it will take you to your YouTube channel. Now we need to go in a new tab to instagram.com. So once you're on instagram.com, obviously make sure you're logged in. Then you can go to your profile icon. It's going to be in the bottom left hand corner. If you click on that, it will then take you to your Instagram page. Here's my Instagram if you want to go ahead and follow me or connect with me. So what you need to do then is copy the URL. So go to this URL bar, click on it, make sure it's all highlighted, right click, then click copy. Then go back to YouTube, click customize channel. That will open up your YouTube studio in the back end. And then from here, we can scroll down. And then you'll scroll down enough until you'll find links, then click add link, and then you can paste in the URL here. You can also give this a title. So I'm going to put here, follow me on Instagram. Then we can go ahead and publish this. Make sure that this link is first if you have multiple links, because only the first one will show on your banner. After you've clicked publish in the top right, you can then click go to your channel, and here you should see your Instagram. And there you go, your Instagram has been added here. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped.